Come on, you can come out. They're just not sure yet.
One of them's sure of the fence, and they're looking at it. They've already spotted it. I think they're good.
There.
They're checking around.
There's the fence. Okay, now they know what that is.
They're just staying together, I'll tell you.
Yeah, they will. They're buddies.
Looking at the grass.
What?
You need to get them horses in the grass. Look at that.
I will. There goes that tail. His too, look. Where you going, little man?
Check this one out. She got on her stifle. She cut herself.
What?